Camellia japonicas have been grown in the United States since the early 1800s, and they've been gracing southern landscapes with these gorgeous, delicate blooms in the winter and their beautiful evergreen leaves. I'm here with Dr. Michael Polozola, who's actually our extension fruit and nut landscape specialist, but Michael's family has a long history of growing and grafting Camellia japonicas. So Michael, why don't you tell us a little bit about first steps in knowing what to do to grow these?
So touching on what you said, the reason they've been here and have still continue to be is they're such low maintenance, long-lived shrubs, have great ornamental potential, come in a whole assortment of different colors. We were talking about how the red stripes here are genetic variegation and the white spots are viral variegation, and it just creates a lot of interesting types of blooms that you can see. They are like the ultimate low maintenance shrub when you have them in the right spot. They do prefer a little bit of acid environment, so they do a little bit better under pine trees, but ultimately they are a great durable shrub for our landscape here in the South. Only issue they normally have is occasionally they can get some T-scale, but you can treat that in various different ways. And sometimes they get just a tad bit too shaded, but they even thrive in those circumstances.
Oh, I agree. And the fact that they actually can grow in shade, and we don't have a lot of options for really colorful blooming types of shrubs in full shade, that's another thing that I like about these so much.
So ultimately, if you want to plant a landscape shrub and have it last for generations to come, a Camellia japonica is a great choice for that.
Well, Michael, thank you so much. For Get It Growing, I'm Jason Stagg with Dr. Michael Polozola for the LSU AgCenter.